Hi friends. Sometime while facing a problem in Windows 10, we are trying to attempt the startup repair. And in that, if you are getting this error srt_trail.txt, then in this video I'm going to tell you a few methods which can be help you to resolve this error. If you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. When you get this error, you will get a screen like this. Here you will get this button, advanced option. When you click on it, this screen will come. So the first method is run command prompt from the boot. Go to the troubleshoot for that, then go to the advanced option and then go to the command prompt. Here it will ask you to log in with your account. Click on your name or your system account and give your Microsoft account here and then click on continue. Once you give this, then this screen will get open and command prompt will get open. You have to type these three commands. First is rebuild BCD. Once it executes completely, type this command, fix MBR one by one, and then type this fix boot finally. After that, you have to type this command, check DSK and your drive name. So it will check your drive and check if you're getting the error or not after rebooting. If you're still getting the error, then again go to the command prompt and type this command. So this command will disable the automatic startup repair. And after you executed this command, then again reboot your system and check if you're still getting that SRT real text dot error or not. If you're still getting the error, execute next method and type this command to check the drive partition. So here your device should be partition C and your OS device should be partition C. If you are not getting this partition C, then you have to execute these commands again in the command prompt at the boot only and check. Once you executed this command, then again reboot your system and check if you are still getting that error or not. If you are getting the error, then again use the next method. So in this method, just run the command prompt again with the boot and this time type this command. Once you execute this command, this will repair your Windows registry. And then again try to reboot and check if you're still getting that SRT error or not. So the next method is delete the problematic file. For that you have to run this command. Once you execute this command, you will get a message like this. If you get a message and here I am getting this file name vsoc.sys. So now use this command which I have shown here. So this command will remove vsoc.sys. But in your case, if you're getting another file name, then just replace the vsoc.sys with your file name and that will remove that file from your system. Then again reboot your system and check if you're still getting that error or not. Next method is, if you're still getting the error, go to troubleshoot, go to advanced option, then go to startup setting, and here in the fourth option is enable safe mode. So just restart. Once you restart your system, press 4. Once you press 4, a safe mode will start in your system. Now again run the command prompt as an administrator and we are going to use dism command here. So just run the administrator, run as administrator the command prompt and now type this command. I will put all of this command in the description also, so that you can copy paste for different method and every method, and that would be very helpful for you. So just type this command, dism online cleanup image / restore health. And execute it. This will take little time. Wait till it not get 100%. So it will get 100% and you will get, if you get any other message, you will get message like this. So just after that, exit and restart your system. Once you restart your system, check if you're getting the error or not. If you're still getting the error, then again go to troubleshoot, go to advanced option, go to startup setting, and this time you have to go to the different option, that is disable driver signature enforcement. For that, press 7. and then it will just again start your system, and then check if you're still getting that error or not. So these are all the methods which are basically helpful for you to resolve this error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.